Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kitija and I like to make things, and in this channel I share all different types of things that I make and also share where I got the supplies from and everything. The main thing I focus on is jewelry, but I do want to get into like different stuff as well. That's what I'm doing. I'm making stuff and sharing how I do them, so maybe you can make them yourself as well. So today is a bit different thing because I usually focus on beads, but I have been requested to make resin earrings or like charms and stuff. That's why I'm wearing gloves, because it's suggested to wear gloves when you work with resin. I have pre-made these earrings. Well, I haven't put the thing on here, but these ones are what I made yesterday. These were my first pair. I will show you how to put it on the thing later on, but what I was thinking to do today is I want to make a charm, basically using some of the flowers and using this mold. We have quite a few things going on here. We have, obviously you can see, we have the molds, we have some flowers, we have the mat, I think that's what's called, we have some pliers, and we have a light, and also obviously we're gonna need the actual resin to work with. The thing is, I worked with this brand before and they kindly sent me some resin supplies, but I'm not sponsored to do this video with them, but I will link them in the description box. The kit does come with everything that you need. It's the mat, it's the resin, it's the lamp. I did get the flowers and the molds myself. As I said, everything that I use I will link in the description box, so if you need any supplies you will be able to see them there. First thing that I am going to do is, well, I'm basically just gonna start making the earrings. I just opened the bottle and changed the lid and put on the one where the resin is going to come out from. Okay, so I am going to start by taking the resin, and I have the little tray here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just make a little, just make sure there's no fluffs inside or anything like that, and just like make a little coat of the resin before I put the flower in. If you do like want to mix like colors and stuff, there are, yeah, so what I was saying, if you do want to like mix some colors together, they're like little trays that you mix the color together, like put some resin and put some color, or some, like here there's like gold flakes, and then you just pour them in. But because I'm not mixing anything, I'm just pouring it from the bottle, and then once I have put a little bit there, because that's what I learned, if you have a look at one of these, which one was it? I have like a little bubble that didn't fill up because I put the flower and then the resin couldn't get underneath it. So then I'm just gonna take one of the flowers. I'm gonna take this pink one because I think it's super cute, and just put it on the resin. And also, like, there's like different flowers as well if you want to use them. And honestly, you can, there's so many different like things that you can order online that have just for these like resin earrings, and or like charms or key rings or anything like that. And I just stick them on there. Like this. Don't mind my dirty clothes already. And then once I have done that, I will fill it up to the edges with more resin, and just make sure that it covers all the flowers, and fill up the tray properly. And you have these little sticks that you can use and just spread it out so it goes all in the tray. Just make sure that you don't like whisk it too much, that you're gonna create like little bubbles, and we don't want that, do we? And then once you have done that, you don't need to move it. You can just take the little lamp. It connects, it has like a cable, and then you connect it to socket, and then if you hold it, it's gonna turn on, and you leave it for like 2 minutes. And I did do it yesterday about 6 minutes in total, but I think if you have like thicker molds, you're gonna need to hold it in for a longer time. I will put some information that I find on the internet in description box, like the suggested times and stuff like that. And then it will smell a little bit, but I think it's normal to do that. If you want, like, open the window, I can't open the window because I'm gonna have a lot of noise coming in from the outside. And yeah, you just leave it, and when it turns off, repeat it a few times. I don't know if you're gonna get this kit, because this lamp only goes up to 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna have to keep turning it back on. And yeah, once it's done, I will wait like 5-6 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out together. I will see you in a second. Okay, so I let it do its thing for like 6 minutes. Well, I turned it on like 3 times, and then I left the thing for another like 10 minutes while I was just drinking coffee. And I think we are good to take it out. And what I do, I just move the sides and literally just take it out, and this is how it looks. So cute, isn't it? Oh, I have a little bubble there, but it's cute, isn't it? So now, because I want this one to be my keychain, like the thing, I have these things. I will link them in the description box as I always do. And what I'm gonna do, just move that ring, would you say? Open it up, and then there's like a little hole there, and I'm just gonna put it through. And this is how it looks. And now I'm gonna have like a little key ring. So cute. I will wipe it off because I feel like it's a little bit sticky, so I'm just using a basic wipe and just wiping it off. And this is how it looks. So cute. And then if you do decide to do the earrings, it's really simple to do. Again, if you're looking for like to make earrings, obviously when you look for the molds, just put like for earrings and stuff, and then you would need to like find something that has like this part. But you can also make stud earrings where you won't need the little bit that makes the hole, so then you can put like resin molds for stud earrings, something like that. So basically what I did, I just took a jump ring, opened it up, put the earring part in, and put it through the hole. And close it. And this is it. This is your earring done. How cute is that? You actually don't even need to spend that much time you know, doing them. So pretty. And then this little charm. And obviously you can like buy different, you don't need to just do like the flowers, you can buy different things. Like even I here have like little butterflies, then I have the gold, the flakes, and then I have like little crystals and stuff. You can also buy like little letters. Actually I do have like letter bead, oh, but those are beads. But yeah, honestly, I will link some cool stuff in the description box and then you can have a look. But that's it. You just literally get the supplies, pour the resin in, leave it under the lamp, let it stay there for like 6 or whatever minutes. If it's thicker, obviously a longer time. And then you just add whatever you want it to be, either a keychain, phone, you can add it to the phone, earrings, you can even make it as a charm on the necklace. And it just makes it such a special, cute gift, or just make it for yourself. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope this is what you would like to see from a resin video. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. And next time is probably gonna be beaded jewelry, and I will see you next time. Bye.